Hi, welcome to today's episode where we're going to explore the connection with the mind, body, and self. And today, our guest, whose work literally resonates with your soul. Welcome, Ankita Patwa, whose work she specially works with women like hormonal imbalance, PCOD, and how to balance the hormones and how to resonate, your body should resonate with that. So, Ankita is specializing in that. She is a founder of Sarva Sound Therapy. Why Sarva is come? Let's listen and let's hear her journey, how she started, and how it is progressing.
Thank you,
Welcome,
Veenu.
Ankita.
Thank
Welcome
you.
so much for today's episode. So, I really would like to know how is your journey started as a sound healer and how sound healing came to you.
First of all, thank you, Veenu, for having me here. It is really a pleasure and an honor to be with you here in the same space. And the second question that you asked, why sound healing and how it resonates? It's my struggle after that I got married, the hormonal imbalances with work pressure and responsibilities that come with marriage have given a toss to the hormones, and it started where I was very tired all the time, and I had mood swings, weight gain. I had gained almost 15 kgs right after I got married. Like within 2 months, I was 15 kgs up. So that triggered something in me that this is not me. There is something wrong in it. So that is the path where sound chose me. I came across sound healing, and that is how I have balanced myself through sound healing, and I have brought the weight back that I had, and I am out of PCOD, and I have regular menstrual cycles where doctor said me that I wouldn't conceive. There were only 50% chances of me having a baby. I have a daughter. She's 3 years old. Her name is Rihanna, and I'm really thankful for sound healing and the universe that chose me as a sound healer.
Oh, that's wonderful, Ankita. Wonderful. That's really beautiful. For those who new to this, could you please explain how can sound vibrations actually influence something like PCOD or a woman's health?
Absolutely. As we have studied in science, our body is 70% of water, and sound travels 5 times faster than in water than in air. So that's how when we play therapeutic bowls, crystal bowls, tunic folk, and even my sound, even by the voice that I use, it travels in your organs, in your cellular level, and gives you an internal massage that resonates with the universal sound that is Nada Brahma. The Nada Brahma is our own sound, our own being, the sound that resonates us. So once we play the bowls, the therapeutic bowls, crystal bowls, or tunic folk, our body resonates with that. Our body knows what that sound is, and with that, our body starts to take the form that it has to be, or it is meant to be like that. That's how healing begins.
Wow, that's something really nice to hear. So it's really about helping the body return to its natural harmony, is it?
Yes, it is to bring the body to the natural harmony, and sound doesn't force the healing. It just invites you in to be on the natural flow of universe.
Okay. I love that. That's really nice. That's really interesting. Yes. Could you share how modern science supports what ancient traditions have always known? Some insight on that, please?
So when we play the therapeutic bowls and when we say when we go to a temple,
Yeah.
we ring do the bell thing, right? So that sound, why is that sound important while we enter the temple? That's because when we play that sound, all the clutter that is there in our mind, that stops for a while, so that we can concentrate and connect to the Almighty.
Wow.
That is what the sound of bell does. So now science has proved that certain frequencies work with our brain waves that take us to the alpha state. Alpha state is where you are in complete harmony, you are in complete sync with yourself and the universe, where you can think clearly, you can think what you need to do the next thing, next moment, and what you need to do 5 years ahead of that as well. So one sound frequency can give you that clarity, then that brings, these days people have brain fog, they say my
Yes.
brain is very foggy. The one vibration, if they have that one vibration, that brain fog is cleared absolutely to 100%.
Wow.
So once that brain fog is away from you, you can make quite a nice decision, perfect decisions for you. You can take responsibilities of those decisions. You can be so much creative than you were before sound healing.
Wow. That's amazing. Would definitely like to experience this. And that's so profound. Could you guide us listeners through a soft reflection to connect with their womb energy? Can we do that?
Definitely. So I would like you to close your eyes and relax yourself for a bit. Take a deep breath in and exhale out. Place one hand just below your navel. Take a deep breath in and exhale all the worries, tension that your womb holds. Take another deep breath in and exhale all the worries, all the emotional stress. Let the frequency of the sound heal your womb. Allow the frequency to bring your womb to harmony. Now allow a gentle from your heart to your womb. Feel your womb relaxed, safe, and in harmony with this universe. Take a deep breath in and let yourself arrive in this moment. You can open your eyes.
That's beautiful and very, very calming. Thank you so much, Ankita.
That is what sound healing does. It
Yeah.
is just a 2 minutes thing,
Yeah.
but when there is a session dedicated to only one person or a group of people for 45 minutes to 1 hour, that takes you to another level of relaxation and healing.
So, what if you give one-to-one session, what do you call that?
That is called sound therapy.
Okay, and what it does to them?
Sound therapy works particularly on the ailments that
Okay.
a person has come with. We set an intention, and I ask them to have that intention and the receptivity to receive the healing as well.
So it definitely gonna work on the womb, right?
Yes, it
There are
will.
so many cases where there is this difficult in conceiving or so many PCOD issues. So I think this is gonna work wonders, Ankita.
Yes, this work wonders, and
And it has worked also for
yes,
you.
it has worked for my clients as well.
Yeah.
They have been very kind to me. To it is very difficult to speak up actually.
Hmm.
People are very shy to speak that they have this menstrual issue, they have bleeding all through the day. They are very shy, and the conservative society doesn't allow them to speak up so openly. Yes, correct.
Okay,
That's the word.
so okay, tell me, when they come and take session from you, so after the session, what is the transformation you see in them?
So here I would like to give you an example of a woman. She came to me when she wasn't having a periods for like 6 months also. She did not have a period, and she wasn't pregnant also. So she came to me. She had so much of hair over here and no periods, and so much of bloating as well. So I gave her few lifestyle changes, and we were working with her for like 6 months. And she came to my studio for about 3 times a week,
Okay, that's
and
amazing.
we slowly started working on her womb energy, that is the sacral chakra, which governs the creativity and emotional response and reproductive health as well. So now she is conceived and she's expecting
Wonderful.
soon.
So that is the transformation.
Yes.
That's all. Good. Nice to hear that. That's so inspiring. For women who are listening and want to begin this journey, where can they learn more and experience your work?
So they can contact me through my website, which is
Okay.
www.sarvasoundtherapy.com.
Okay.
Or I can give you the details, and you can
Sure.
put up in the description as well.
Yes, sure. Okay, beautifully said, Ankita. Thank you for sharing your wisdom and your frequency of compassion with us today. We are really, really, really thankful and really what you call insightful
Yes.
to get all the knowledge from you. Thank you so much for
Thank
being here.
Thank you. I just want to tell the women
Yes.
not to be shy. Just come through what you're going through. Thank you.
That's amazing. Thank you.